Hello, good morning, everybody. Speaking today to Eric from AMZ Tracker. Eric, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Okay, Eric. Eric is actually in Vietnam, and can you tell me a little bit about AMZ Tracker being in Vietnam? How is it like living there, and is the entire company located in Vietnam?
Yeah, Vietnam's great. Most of the company right now is the team is located here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Uh,
Uh-huh.
we're a we do our best to be a location independent startup, so we can basically live and work anywhere that has an internet connection. So we did Bangkok for a few months last year, and now we're doing Ho Chi Minh City here. We keep relocating. It's a great community of entrepreneurs, and it's a great spot to live out here.
Right, incredibly interesting. But you don't know if any phone support. It's all via email, I believe. Is that correct?
Yeah, all email support.
Okay, tell me a little bit about AMZ Tracker. I know it's an extremely popular software with Amazon sellers, especially private label sellers. Tell me a little bit, what exactly can AMZ Tracker do, an overview do for an Amazon seller, please?
All right, it's a full suite of Amazon seller tools. From the start with the Unicorn Smasher for your product research, on-page optimizers, um, use the Super URLs and the Review Club, the largest review club out there right now. But really, the core tools are the rank tracker, sales trackers, things that help you save time and track your business once you get going. Once it saves you time and helps you stay at the top of your game.
Right, now it's not only, the review club is only for Amazon reviews, or like would it get me out there on Facebook if I wanted, or is it just focused on Amazon?
It's just Amazon platform, yeah.
It's just the Amazon platform. Oh, so everything that what AMZ Tracker does is only for Amazon.
Yeah, for
Okay,
Amazon sellers.
all the different Amazon. So if I have an Amazon UK account, an Amazon Canada account, are they separate accounts? I would need is this one AMZ Tracker account what I would have to buy and connect it to all the different Amazon accounts, or I need a separate AMZ Tracker account?
Just one account. You can use it for products in all different marketplaces in the world. We work with every Amazon marketplace.
Right. Okay. Now I'm a private label seller, and many of the people who I know are also private label seller. And the biggest challenge we have is we get a product, we get a picture, we get the listings up, and then nothing happens. So can you walk me through what exactly is the best process? Like, what would you recommend would be what a private label seller should do to get his listing off the ground? Like, I know once it takes off, once you get a bunch of sales, then it just keeps going and going and going, and it's incredible. You can have one ASIN, which you could do fantastically. It could be a whole business probably. But what I'm having trouble is, like when I list a new item, I could list it, and then the next 2 weeks nothing will happen. So what would you suggest is the best method using AMZ Track, I assume, which can get that private label item off and running?
All right. Well, you got to start with getting your listing optimized. So make sure you're optimized for the keywords you're going for. Fully optimized top to bottom. There's several different points in there that you need. But without that, you're really just not playing with the full deck. Like you gotta be fully optimized. Great pictures, all that, all the top to bottom keywords, um, and go for the smaller keywords first. So don't go for those big keywords, those big money ones. You want to get some long tail keywords, second, third tier type of stuff, smaller, lower traffic, and less competition. So you want to rank for those first. You can do your first month or whatever, however long it takes to get you ranked very high on those and get an organic sales through those before you attempt to go after the big ones.
Hmm.
It helps a lot. Then, yeah, basically, to get started, you all know about the review club. You could do a review campaign to get sales. That's that initial sales flow. So you're going to get sales coming in. They're going to be buying. It's going to start boosting you in those keywords that you're going for. Then some paid traffic is great. So Amazon traffic or Facebook ads or wherever you want to send some good targeted traffic to your listing. And then you'll start to see your organic sales increasing, and you start to pull back on the review club stuff, pull back on the paid ads, and organic sales should start taking off, and just
Right.
keep rolling with that.
Right. So do you think that when I do the organic reviews, like, should I just do like 50 reviews in one shot, or do you think, which is what I think, but I may be wrong, is that it makes more sense to do a couple, then roll back, get some organic sales maybe a couple of organic reviews, then another couple, and just like spread them out more, or it's just or you think it doesn't make a difference? It's okay to just overload it with a bunch of these reviews.
Well, the exact number you do really just depends on what the keywords you're going for and really who your competition is. Because you got to remember, you're only trying to beat your competition, not trying to beat Amazon. So
All right.
definitely do an initial little bump, like a good amount. Let's say you do like 10. It's just for a random number, but you do 10 for the first day, maybe 10 the second day, then you slowly taper down. So 9, 8, 7, 6 each day after that, and you want to keep it constant though, not just a spike and then a drop. Do a spike and a slowly taper off, and then just kind of a trickle in, maybe one every day, one every other day. This depends on what your competition's like.
Right. Because one thing I know, like on the one hand, I know Amazon. Like the reviews which AMD Tracker gets, to me they seem like even better reviews than organic reviews, because these are professional reviewers and they're taking good pictures, and I think there's a little bit of a misconception which some people have, is that Amazon just hates these reviews, and I think they actually like it based on what I've been speaking to people, that Amazon actually does not mind if you give away some items for the reviews. It's just that they don't want you to overload it to the point where you're gonna have 100 of these type of reviews, which I wouldn't call fake, but 100 of these type of reviews which are great, and then you'll get 20 reviews which are terrible, and then Amazon system's gonna obviously realize that you have a garbage product. And then, is that correct?
Yeah, so we do, all of our reviews are honest reviews. So we require our reviewers to leave honest reviews. If you have a bad product, I mean, you're gonna have to get a good product before you come to the review club, because they're gonna give you, what bad reviews. So it's all honest. It's just more in depth, more detail. They take their care. They take time to do reviews. And in Amazon's eyes, those reviews help all the other customers make a decision. So they're good. They fill out your profile, and they fill out your listing there, make it look robust, and give you good information.
Right. Yeah, I actually think so too, because I see the reviews which these people leave are comprehensive. They're there's pictures, and it's long. So yeah, I think it's a very good service. And does AMD Tracker benefit? Is it 90% private label benefit, or does it benefit if you have a branded item too? Because I don't know if I would invest. Why would I invest in a listing which, if I'm selling Sony cameras, like why would I help Sony?
Well, it's mostly for the private label guy, but a lot of people do like sell, a reseller of a big brand, and they get the buy box a lot, so it might be worth it for that. If there's a high profit margin on there, it may still be worth it. So we do have resellers and vendors.
Right. Okay, Eric. Enjoy Vietnam, and I think that was an extremely informative call, and we'll keep in touch. Thank you so much, Eric, from Vietnam, and be well.
Thanks for having me.